Hello, today I'm going to show you guys how to create your very own mail client that you can send email with using C# Visual Studio 2008. I'm making this due to a email request from one of my viewers, so if you have any requests, make sure to send them to me. I've already built the GUI interface that we're going to be using, so let's go ahead and go ahead and write the code for this. We'll double click on the send button just to auto create the code for the send, and before we get started we have to add a few using statements just to import some stuff. We're going to be using system.net and system can't spell net.mail. Just add those two in there. Okay, and on the button click we're going to create a new SMTP client. Just name it client. And this would be the SMTP server that you'll be using. And I don't currently own an SMTP server or don't know any that I can use, so I'm just going to do and then the port you commonly use is 25 for SMTP. And then you can also add credentials to your client by doing client.client.credentials, and then you do equals new network credential, and then it's usually a string that's the username, so user@company.com, and the string being the password. That would be if your SMTP server required logging in with the username or password. Alright, now we have to create a mail message. So just do mail message, just message equals new mail message. I don't actually think we have to put anything in there. Oh, we can put the from or to in there, but let's just go ahead and do it this way. And then we're going to do message.from equals new mail address, and then the string of the address, and that would be text from dot text. And then we can also add a display name. Any name you want to display instead of the email. We're going to leave that blank since we don't really need that. Message to again equals new mail address, text2 dot text. Oh, actually you do message.to.add, sorry about that. Then it's new mail address. A little bit different on the two, since I think you can add multiple people, which is why they did it that way. Alright. Message.subject equals text subject, and you can pretty much see how this is going. There's a lot of different things you can do with message. You can send attachments, set its priority, pretty much do a lot of different things. Message.body equal text body text. And then if you want to add an attachment, you do message.attachments.add. Then you give the string of where the attachment is, so something like see users, my documents, whatever. I don't know how this really goes. I don't actually have a file that's this. And then we add, say, like text plain or application octet stream. It's different, so make sure to look up like if you have a text document you're just sending, it would be text plain, etc. And it's actually a new attachment. another one of those. Media type is what you're adding. And then when you want to send the message, you just do whatever you named your SMT client. In this instance it's client. Send, and then you just do message. And then you should probably put a little error handling code in here. There's still a simple error handling, and in this case it will throw an exception because this is completely false information. But let's go ahead and go through it anyway, just so you can see what it looks like. And you can see as we step through this, creates a new SMT client and a new message. And as we add all these things, including the attachment, which failed because it didn't actually find the attachment, but regardless, if we look at our message here, you can see the subject, the body, the from, just all the different things you can add, the things that are null or things that I actually haven't added. But that's basically how you send a message using SMTP and C#. If you would like to see any more tutorials on Visual C# and Visual Studio 2008, make sure to leave a comment, subscribe to all my videos, and stop by my website and my forums, which are in my description. This is Quack Ware signing out.